how we got the navigation system working on Chris's Erisin 7160 2-din car stereo. Alright, going to set up. No, wait for the radio to kick in. Go back out. Set up. Scroll to the bottom. Oh, not that one. Scroll to the bottom. If it'll do it. There you go. Back device. Factory setting. 8888. Go to others. Go down till you see SD map swap. I've already swapped it, so I'm not going to do it again. And once you've done that, you click save. It will say to save successfully. We come back out, at which point you'll shut down the system, fire it back up. Obviously make sure the card is no longer here, your navigation card is no longer in this side, and that it's over in this side. And obviously you won't be able to use that because, well, we know this side is faulty. So I've already put the card in that side now, the navigation card. Well, that should be for media. Then we'll click on navigation. Instead of a horrible screen, we now get Ego Primo. Way! But they weren't expecting that. Well, it's working. And that is the main thing. Yay. Cool. I'm quite chuffed with that.